Once the tire is dismounted from the rim, the next job is to carefully remove the sensor. Using the 1/4-inch T-bar tool found in your hand toolkit and a 12mm socket, carefully remove the locking nut from the valve stem. Use your thumb to secure the base of the valve so that it does not spin, and break the delicate metal connector attaching the valve to the sensor. Once the locking nut is removed, the sensor will come away from the rim easily. Remove the old rubber sealing grommet and metal washer from the valve. The grommet tool found in your hand toolkit will aid this process, as these components can be tough to remove. Detach the valve stem from the sensor by unscrewing the Torx 6 screw from the base, and very carefully folding the metal connector back on itself. The valve will now push through the sensor. Identify the correct replacement valve. Push the new valve stem back through the sensor in the correct orientation. Fold the metal connector back into place and attach the Torx 6 screw to secure it. We will fasten this screw to 0.4 Nm. Now place the metal washer and sealing grommet over the valve stem, ensuring that both the washer and seal are correctly orientated. Note that the metal washer is dished in order to seat the rubber grommet. The inside of the dish should face upwards, towards the valve cap. When fitting the sealing grommet, ensure the wider base sits inside the dished metal washer. You can use the grommet tool to aid the fitment of the rubber sealing grommet, as they can be tight. Pass the valve through the rim hole and hold the sensor in place, again securing the metal connector at the base of the valve. Hand tighten the locking nut to the valve. Use your TPMS torque wrench to fasten the locking nut to 8 Nm. Now remove the valve cap and put this to one side, whilst we check that the valve core is correctly installed using the preset valve core torque tool. Replace the valve cap and you're done. You are now ready to fit the tire, balance the wheel and fit back to the vehicle in the relevant wheel position.